Hello and welcome. In this video and in the next couple of videos, we will be learning about the CSS Flexbox. So, by using CSS Flexbox, we can create some interesting layouts inside of our HTML page. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go to the browser and I have already opened the W3 Schools documentation, which is pretty nice. So let's see what it is saying. CSS Flexbox is short for the CSS Flexible Box Layout Module. Flexbox is a layout model for arranging items horizontally or vertically within a container in a flexible and responsive way. Flexbox makes it easy to design a flexible and responsive layout without using float or positioning. And as a matter of fact, that is the reason I didn't cover the float at all inside of our HTML and CSS playlist. Okay, so this is the CSS Flexbox. Now, if we go to the MDN, inside of the Flexbox, what we have a ton of different CSS properties. We have the align content, we have align items, we have align self, we have flex, flex basis, flex direction, flex flow, flex grow, flex shrink, flex wrap, and justify content. Okay, and there are some of the other things as well which we will definitely cover in our videos. Okay, so now you might be thinking like, hey, what is the point of learning about the CSS Flexbox and what benefits the CSS Flexbox brings to us? Okay, to demonstrate that, I have opened the GitHub landing page. I'll zoom in a little bit. Okay, all right. So as you can see, this is the landing page, and this page is using the CSS Flexbox and grid quite a lot. Okay, for example, this navigation bar, as you can see, if I just open the DevTools, okay, this is now responsive, but as you can see, the navigation bar shrinks down and expands based on the size of our viewport. Okay, so as you can see, now it is responsive. I'll just zoom out a little bit. Okay, as you can see, here it is. So there are a bunch of things going on here inside of this navigation bar as well. Also, you can see that here all of the elements are quite neatly centered and all of them are stayed together here. And in the right side here we have the sign in and the sign up buttons. So how we can do that? We can achieve this sort of layout by using the CSS Flexbox, and we will definitely build something similar to this navigation bar in the upcoming videos as well. Okay, so in that way, if you just go ahead, scroll down, we have these images as well, and then we have this sort of section where on the left we have this text and on the right we have this image. So I think this is also is using the CSS Flexbox. Okay, and if you go down a bit, as you can see, we have the similar layout here. We have on the left side some sort of text, and on the right side we have some sort of image as well. We have these three things as well, and so on. So as you can see, this website is using the CSS Flexbox quite a lot. And not only this particular website, but also all of the modern websites which you see uses the CSS Flexbox, because it allows us to arrange the items horizontally and vertically however we want. So we will be discussing about the CSS Flexbox and all of its syntax and all of the CSS properties in this video series. All right, so this is it for this video. Let's catch up in the next one.